Hello, I'm Price Anderson, sales representative with Bose & Cox Limited Brokerage here in beautiful downtown Peterborough. Welcome to the open house edition of Let's Talk Real Estate for a Minute. This weekend we've got some great open houses that are being hosted by your local Bose & Cox team. So, starting off the list for this weekend of Saturday, March the 31st and Sunday, April the 1st, 5 Shamrock Avenue in Selwyn is in a desirable Emerald Isle location with Buckhorn Lake, deeded water access, and private dock just a walk away. This is a nice brick with new Cape Cod wood siding side split with 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, and a basement office area. This home is open April 1st from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. 8 Tanner Street in Campbellford backs onto Parks Canada Ravine and has a magnificent view of the Trent River and Ferris Park. It's a spacious eat-in kitchen with oak cupboards, pantry, and a walk-through to a newer 4-season sunroom and a 12.5 by 14 deck. Now, 3 Wallace Street, Peterborough. Here's your chance to own an adorable home on East City's highly sought-after Burnham Point. This home is open Saturday, March 31st from 1 to 3. If you've been out of town for the long weekend, it's open Monday, April 2nd from 6 to 8 p.m. Up next, 105 Milroy. This is a spectacular 3+2 bedroom home. It has everything you would want. It's bright open concept living room, kitchen, with gas fireplaces, hardwood floors, and walk out to a large deck and fenced yard. This home is open Saturday, March 31st from 1 to 3 p.m. I'll be hosting this one, and you can see a video on my YouTube channel or on Facebook if you'd like to take a sneak preview. Next up, 16 Eldon Court in Peterborough is located on a cul-de-sac, and this home boasts spacious main floor with dining room and living room with gas fireplaces, and both with walkouts to balcony, a large kitchen, powder room, and laundry. The second level has 3 large bedrooms, bathroom, and a very spacious master bedroom with double closets and en-suites. It will be open on Sunday from 1 to 2:30 p.m. Well, that's it for our roundup this week. Hope to see you out. Talk to some of our great Bose & Cox salespeople. Have a great long weekend. Come on out and take a look at these properties. Let me know what your thoughts are. Leave some comments below, and I'll put the links to maps and information on the properties in the comments. Thanks for looking. Have a great weekend. Bye for now.